Welcome back to Overheat. Outside of the Skoda Motorhome 2026 modern and aerodynamic design, the motorhome will have sleek matrix LED headlights, the iconic Skoda front grille, and clean, crisp lines in keeping with Skoda's most recent design language. Simple access, the cabin space will be easily accessible with large sliding side doors. Beautiful views will be provided by the living area's large panoramic windows. Intelligent exterior lighting. When it gets dark, the area surrounding the RV will be illuminated by ambient lighting from hidden LEDs. Interior premium. Long-lasting materials. Skoda will utilize interior materials that are long-lasting, cleanable, and still feel luxurious. Technology integration. Wireless connectivity for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is available on this large touchscreen entertainment system. Swivel seats. When parked, the front passenger seat and driver's seat will turn 180 degrees to join the living area. Kitchen. Energy-efficient compressor refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and 2-burner gas stove. Smart storage. Cabinets and drawers will be able to lock when in motion. Benches with several uses. Cozy benches with movable backrests and concealed storage beneath. For larger models, there will be either a fixed bed or a bed that can be moved from the living space. Efficient engine options. To cut emissions and fuel consumption, Skoda is probably going to provide the RV with a potent and efficient TDI diesel engine in addition to a potential plug-in hybrid PHEV version. Dual-clutch automatic transmission with a smooth and responsive shift ESG. Drivetrain, front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive AWD are options for light off-roading or difficult road conditions. There are numerous charging stations located around the cabin, including USB-C ports and 230 volts power outlets. An intuitive touchscreen on the digital control panel allows you to operate the lights, heater, water level, and batteries. Long-term off-grid electricity is possible with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack. Parking sensors and a rear camera make navigating confined spots simple.